Hi y'all, I'm Donna Tackett, Director of Sales and Marketing for Lubbock's new Cottoncourt Hotel. This premier boutique hotel is inspired by Lubbock's local cotton industry with the architecture replicating a 100-year-old cotton gin. Each of the 165 guest rooms feature early 20th century design. Each piece of furniture has been thoughtfully picked, down to the smallest detail. As you make yourself at home, notice the coffee table that mimics a bale of cotton, an aerial view of Lubbock's cotton fields in the carpet pattern, 100% Egyptian cotton sheets, as well as the influence of buddy holly scattered throughout our hotel. It gives you the feeling of coming home. Our hotel has indoor and outdoor meeting space, a pool, and other courtyard activities. The Cottoncourt will be a premier venue to host events. Located in the heart of Lubbock's downtown business district, guests will be in close proximity to Texas Tech University and the new Buddy Holly Hall of Performing Arts and Sciences. We invite you to come and marvel in Lubbock's heritage and culture at the Cottoncourt Hotel. It's going to be quite an experience.